Hey everyone, just had a discussion with a couple of my clients, and it's been interesting doing balancing on people who have, been jibby jabbed. And it's so, from a kinesiology perspective, you can target the immune system to really specific components of said jibby jabs and stuff like that. Anyway, once again, trying to keep my energy high, trying to get beyond the noise, trying to get beyond the mainstream shenanigans, and we need to just keep ourselves grounded in the certainty of love. So that's what this little one is about, keeping ourselves grounded in the certainty of love. So, and it has been interesting having a play with the immune system with the things like the graphene oxide and the nanotechnology and the spike proteins themselves, and then asking about the alpha strain, the delta strain, lots of different strains, and seeing where the immune system's falling apart. I did my first live blood on someone who'd been jibby jabbed with AstraZeneca, and that was sort of interesting. Probably the main thing, I know it didn't look like what I've seen online, on the Stu Peters show with Dr. Jane Ruby or whatever her name is, because that one, I know what that blood looks like, and it does look like people with cancer, and it didn't look like that at all. So it's sort of interesting. But the main thing was there weren't enough white blood cells, which was very interesting. So I think I saw one lymphocyte, and lymphocytes are antiviral. I saw maybe one, and I'm talking in thousands and thousands and thousands of cells that I looked at over half an hour. So, as always, it's just going to be interesting to see how we move forward, and that's my job as a natural therapist, to help people energetically and physically and mentally get beyond all of this. So, love and compassion. Okay, part 2 coming up.